things that harm no one.
Keep me happy.
Especially not me, but probably if you were here, the things I do might cause some hurt to you. So it's a good thing that you're not here, and it's a good thing I don't like you like I did. And it's a good thing that we met, and yet a painful thing. I leave knowing I'm right, knowing I'm wrong. Maybe time will prove my song. Well, I like to read and I like to play guitar.
Keep me happy.
I like to dance and I like to sleep.
Keep me happy.
You liked all these too, except maybe the guitar. You'd rather watch the TV. So it's a good thing that you're not here, and it's a good thing I don't like you like I did.